It's in neutral. Let's see if she starts. Yeah, look at that. What's up guys, Bobby here, working on the 66 today. Today we're gonna try to put in the clutch slave or clutch master and the master cylinder. They're all in one unit. And we got Eddie here, so we'll see if we can get it at least driving on its own. All right, and I'm recording on a new phone. I think it's about 8K, so hopefully you'll be able to see the difference because I'm going to use both GoPro and my phone. So hope you like this video. So as you remember on the last video, we got it running all on our own. So today we're going to put a different electric fuel pump today. Because the one that's in there, I think whatever gas was left in there ruined it. So let's jack her up and put the electric fuel pump and see if it runs better. Alright, there's the fuel pump right there. I don't know, like I said, I think there's something wrong with it. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to put that other one in there and hook it up straight to the tank. Let's see this line right here. I'm going to take that off, put the other fuel pump on it, and see if it pumps out gas better. It should. So, let's see. Alright, we got the old one out. And there's the bracket. And there's the new one we're going to put in. So, let's put it in. Alright, we got the new fuel pump in there, all up. And then now what I'm going to do, since this hose is now, because it's made for the other fuel pump, so now I'm going to cut it, put it into there. So I'm going to cut it about right here so the hose slides right in. And we'll see if she runs better. Alright, let's see if we have leaks. It's all together. Go ahead. Hold it. Turn it off. Dang it. Alright, let's tighten up that one. Alright, let's try it again. Turn it on. Sweet. Yep. Cool. Alright, yeah, turn her off. Alright, so now we're going to hook up the drive shaft. There are the bolts.
Disconnect the battery for now?
Yeah, disconnect the battery. So let's go ahead and put the drive shaft together. There we go. We got the drive shaft in now. All the bolts are tight. But we noticed something. This right here, leaf spring is broke. Look at that.
Oh man, I should go do this shit right now. So now the valve
broke. We pushed her outside. See if she runs on her own. As soon as we rewire this should go out. When you turn it off, it turns on. When you turn it on, it turns off, which it shouldn't, but it's in neutral. Let's see if she starts. Yeah, look at that. Runs super good. But we started filling up the radiator and messed up the hose down there and it cracked, so it's leaking. But we have a new one, so we're going to change that next. But yeah, she runs on her own. That fuel pump was the reason why it wasn't running. You could actually pump the gas and it'll rev. So now we're gonna change the reservoir. Just disconnect here. Oh man, come on. Alright. Yeah, so we're gonna change all this right here. No leaks from the carburetor. Which is cool. Yeah, that's the leakage you got.
That's so good.
But yep. As soon as we rewire the RPM, but yeah, look at that. Ooh. Ooh. It's got good oil pressure. Fuel gauge doesn't work. Might have to rewire that also. So I'm gonna read more on that Sprite spot. She's running smooth. Starts right back up. Hell yeah. All right. Let's do some more stuff. There we go. All right, so now taking these lines off ain't gonna be easy. Let's see.
You could always bend it back like that.
Yeah, there we go. See, at least it gives me a little better room. There we go.
You gotta spray it with WD to loosen.
Nah, they're already put WD.
Oh, okay.
So now, man, everything's 11. Yeah. Yep. One of them. Yeah. So lucky. Hope I'm lucky on the next one. Ah, yes. I'm hungry, guys. What are you guys gonna eat? I'm gonna be here for a while, guys, so I'm gonna stop. All right, so got these lines out. Put these to the side. Now I gotta take out these clips on each side. Oh wow, this one just used the cotter pin or whatnot. All right, I see what he did. I used a bolt and a little cotter pin, right on. Hey, whatever works. That should work. Come on. There we go. There we go.
Speaking of the devil.
Why is it stuck? Okay. Yeah, but there you go. Thanks. Oh,
It nutted.
it nutted.
You gotta come out with pedals and all.
I guess. Well, see, I took it all. All right. We got the master cylinder out. No problem. Here it is. Comes out as a whole unit. We got to clean it all up. All right, we washed down the pedal assembly and where the master cylinder mounts up to. Here's the old master cylinder. Here's the new one. Now we just got to transfer these two brackets onto this. So we're going to do that next. Install the new master in and clutch. It's all in one, dual. It's all mounted, bench bled, and everything. So it's ready to get installed. I'll do that tomorrow. So I'm going to have to catch you guys in the morning. Alright, back at it again. It's the next day. As you can see behind me is the master cylinder. It's already all bench bled and everything. It's ready to get put in. Right there. But the hard part is going to be the slave cylinder. So let's go over there and let me show you that. That is, let's see here. There we go. Right there. There's the slave cylinder. And then right above that is the bleeder. Let me see, right there, if you can see it. And then there's one bolt right there, and then there's one right above it. Hopefully this one's still good. We're gonna test it. But yeah, there's a little access here, and then there's another little access over here. So they don't give you too much room. And then I just noticed oil pan's got a little gash in it, but there's no leak, and the oil pressure seems to be fine, so not gonna worry about it. But yeah, hopefully this is still good, but we do have a new one in case this is no good. So let's put in that master. Alright guys, we have clutch. We still need to change the slave, it's no good, but I just checked it right now. It goes in gear, no problem, and the wheel turns. Check this out. And it starts right up. Oh shit, that's brake. Here's the clutch. In. Yeah. Reverse, whoops. Yeah. We got clutch. Alright, well, it ended up being no good. It leaks from right there, the front seal, so we're going to put the new one in. There we go. Alright, on the slave cylinder, what we did is we rebuilt the original one. To get to this top bolt, it's almost impossible without dropping the transmission. So what I did is that I honed out the original one that was in there. It was still good. It was not pitted. So what I did, went to AutoZone, got one of these, honed it out. Perfect now. Doesn't leak. We put it in, bled it. We got clutch. We bled all the brakes. So now we're gonna put all the wheels and tires back on, and we're gonna see if we can drive this thing on the road. It'll be its first time since 1983. All right, let's see if she moves.
First test drive on the sun. There she goes, we'll see. Hopefully he's okay. It's gonna be up and down the driveway type of thing. Smoking a little bit.
Not bad. Whew.
Me está dando humo un poquito.
Oh yeah?
Right now when you pull it.
Right on.
Getting all the trash out of it.
Alright, yep, getting all that trash out of that exhaust. But yeah, she runs and moves. First gear sounds but I think I need to check the gear oil. But yeah, damn, she moves. So now next to the coolant system. Alright, that's going to end this video on the Austin Healey. We got her running. We put a new master cylinder in it. We rebuilt the slave cylinder. And she's running under her own power. So next we'll probably rebuild the carburetors and do the cooling system. So until next time, please like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Until next time.